Hey friends, this is the song Promises in the key of B flat. It's going to be a real fun one. I hope you have a lot of fun too. Make sure to stop the video. If you do, click right below the video. In the description will be the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make more sense as we dive in. Okay, so we have 5 chords that I've kind of stripped it down to and kept it basic for you. We have F, G minor, B flat, C minor, and E flat. Okay, so these are not typically chords that I play, but this is a really fun one for you to learn. So let's start with looking for those 5 chords. So if you look for this group of 3 black notes, you will find the left of those kind of tucked in there, an F note there. So we have F, A, C, and that makes up our F major chord, okay? All right, and then move up one set of notes. For this G minor, we're gonna play G and then B flat and then D, okay? Kind of makes this triangle shape, if that helps. White, white, and then black on top. Okay, then we have B flat. So this is a curve line. If you kind of think of it as a shape like that, we have B flat, D, F, and it kind of does this swoopy thing here. Curve line. All right, then we have C minor, and this is only snuck in there in the chorus, and then I think on a vamp, vamp 1 maybe. Okay, so the C minor is C, E flat, G, and that makes that kind of wonky triangle as well as that G minor, okay? White, white, and black on top. And then our last and final chord is the E flat. And if you think of this one like an upside down triangle, so we have E flat, G, B flat. So the 2 black notes are on the top, white in the middle. Okay? All right, so those 5 chords. All right, let's take a look at the left hand. We're gonna be keeping this hand really simple with single notes. So we have F when we're playing this F single note, okay? G minor, we're going to play G in the bass. B flat to B flat, single note down here. C minor to C in the bass. And then when we play that E flat with our left hand, let's come up here and just relax the wrist, swooping open to that E flat single note there, black note, to match our thumb over here. Okay? So for this song, I would recommend to keep pinky on F. This is just what feels comfortable for me, but find a 5-note position that you can keep your hand parked the whole song, and then work on moving your right hand to the different chords, okay? All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in the rhythm, the vocals, and the new chords, and then I'll break down the rhythm for you. All right, here we go. God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant, faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven that you do what just we say. Oh, got a little tongue-tied there. That you do just what you say. All right. So this rhythm is kind of a little bit of a swing beat. It's 6/8 time signature. So I use this rhythm called 1-to-2 ratio, and I do together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. And how that kind of merges with this kind of syncopated rhythm. So it kind of has like this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant, of faithful promises. And time again, you have proven that you do just what you say. Okay, so it kind of has a little bit of a delay with that right hand kind of coming around with that chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know if that helps to kind of count that out a little bit. I hope I'm doing that right. That's just kind of what makes sense to my brain. Okay, so you'll want to probably do this song in sections. You'll want to maybe work on the verses. Those two seem to be the same chords, just the same pattern it looks like lines 1 and 3 repeat, and lines 2 and 4 are the same. With the pre-chorus, you got lines 1 and 3, lines 2 and 4. Okay, take a look at the chorus. G minor, B flat, E flat, B flat. So we have the first 3, pretty much all 4 lines are the exact same with that add-in of the C minor in the very last line. So there's a ton of repetition in this song. You just want to notice that, maybe make a note on your chord sheet so that you could see how much repetition. There's just repeating of the 4 chords or repeating every other line kind of thing. that helps to simplify it. Okay, let's go through the G minor together, and you might just want to omit the left hand for a bit until you get used to the right hand chords. God of Abraham, E flat. Remember I said swing this left hand thumb up here. Him, you're the God of covenant, B flat, meant a faithful promise, F 6, G minor. Time and time, E flat, gain. You have proven, B flat, that you do just what you, F, say. Okay, so that gets us through verse 1 and 2 being the same thing. Let's take a look at that pre-chorus. So G minor. This is that triangle shape. Okay, and look at that pattern. We're kind of going through the same 4-chord progression. G minor, E flat, B flat, F. G minor, E flat, B flat, F. Okay? Though the storms may come in the E flat, winds may blow, I'll re B flat, may stead F fast, and let G minor my heart learn when you E flat, speak a word it will B flat, come to F pass. Okay? Chorus is the same 4 chords over and over and over for every line. Okay? G minor. Great is your B flat, faithful E flat. Swing that left hand thumb open. Next to, back to that B flat. Me, repeat. G minor. Great is your B flat, faithful E flat, next to B flat, me. From the G minor, rising sun to the B flat, setting same, I will E flat, praise your B flat name. Repeat. Great is your B flat, faithful E flat. Okay, this kind of goes through quickly. So you go E flat, next to me. So those 3 chords kind of block chord through that. You don't have enough time to kind of do that syncopated, together right pattern there. It goes E flat, C minor, B flat, next to me. Okay. The interlude is kind of fun and high. Beautiful. E flat. So you're doing the same 4 chords through the whole thing. So you're coming off of that chorus. It goes next to me. Oh, your faithfulness. And then the F. It never runs out. E flat, B flat. It never runs out. Oh, and then you just repeat that. Never runs out, never runs out, never runs out. Okay. Let's take a look at that bridge. It's real fun. Same 4 chords repeated. E flat, B flat, G minor, F there. I put my faith in Jesus. G minor. My anchor to the ground. F. E flat coming up. My hope and firm foundation. G minor. He'll never let me down. Okay, and then the vamp 1. From the rising sun to the B flat, setting sun, I will praise your name. From the rising sun to the setting sun, I will praise your name. And they go, vocally, this song is obviously very more in depth than I'll probably ever be able to sing vocally. So I've just tried to kind of simplify it for you, for the common man who doesn't have the vocals like these beautiful artists that sing so well at this song. So anyway, hope it helps. I'm going to sing it and play beginning to end. You can slow down the playback speed too through the tutorial or the final playthrough. Work on it right hand only, left hand only. Notice those patterns that repeat. Go through just go through the verses, go through the chorus, the pre-chorus, break it up into sections until you get to the final playthrough. All right, here you go. God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant, of faithful promises. And time again, you have proven that you do just what you say. Through the storms may come and the winds may blow, I'll remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting sun, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to me. A God of age to age, through the earth may pass away, your word remains the same. Your history prove there's nothing you can't do. You're faithful and true. And the storms may come and the winds may blow, I'll remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting sun, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to me. Oh, your faithfulness, it never runs out. It never runs out. Oh, your faithfulness, oh, it never runs out. Never runs out. It never runs out. Never runs out. I put my faith in Jesus, my anchor to the ground, my hope and firm foundation. He'll never let me down. I put my faith in Jesus, my anchor to the ground, my hope and firm foundation. He'll never let me down. From the rising sun to the setting sun, I will praise your name. From the rising sun to the setting sun, I will praise your name. From the rising sun to the setting sun, I will praise your name. To age, through the earth may pass away, your word remains the same. Your history prove there's nothing you can't do. You're faithful and true. In the storms